Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. I'm going to show you how to conference call on WhatsApp. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video to make a conference call on WhatsApp. Got your WhatsApp application from the app list and tap Top Not Start a conference call. Tap on the green button located at the bottom right's owner. Select the contact you want to call. Click on the phone icon in the top right corner of the screen right here and start voice call by tapping on call. Once the contact has received your call, tap on the plus icon located at the upper right corner, select a contact you want to add to the conference call and add the person to the group call by tapping on Add. Similarly, you can add more people to the conference call by tapping on the plus icon again and selecting the contact. To end the call, simply tap on the red button and your conference call will be ended. That is how you can make a conference call on WhatsApp. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or feedback for use, we'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.